Evening guys, so this is our last evening on board Azura. We are in the Glass House, which is a specialty restaurant, and it's just small charges for individual plates basically, but they're very highly discounted, you know what I mean? You're talking $2.75 for starter, and then they go on from there basically. So you should have already seen the menu because Sarah just showed you the menu. So we don't know, we're just having a glass of wine. I'm drinking Malbec beefsteak wine, which is very nice, and Sarah's on a white wine spritz. So when we order our food, we will show you. We don't know what we're going to go for yet because there's so much choice, but we're a little bit early. It's not booked till 6 o'clock and it's only 5:30 now, so we're just going to have a quiet little drink, and then once we decide, we'll show you.
Okay, so we've decided what we're going to have for starter. We couldn't decide between three, so we're having all three because they have an offer. 3 small dishes for $6.95. So I'm going for the popcorn chicken, which has sticky Korean sauce and kimchi sole. Gareth fancied the spiced lamb skewers, and that's bulgur wheat. I can't pronounce that. Sumac yogurt.
Tabbouleh and sumac yogurt, yeah.
And did you say the sticky bonbons?
Sticky oxtail bonbons is another one, yeah.
With roasted garlic mayonnaise and parsley crumb.
And then main course.
I'm going for the sliders. It's 3 succulent mini burgers served with french fries, and it's got pulled beef brisket with applewood smoked cheddar and truffle mayonnaise, peri-peri chicken with avocado, and lamb with tzatziki.
And I'm going for the 8-ounce ribeye steak with garlic prawns, and it comes with chunky chips, and I gotta be honest, the chips on here are probably the best chips I've ever tasted in my life. They're absolutely
awesome,
incredible.
Fair play.
They're really something special. So that's what we're going to go for, guys, and when we have all the food now, we will obviously show you and give you a little review, because they reckon that this place is a little hidden gem and probably one of the best. So some people say it's the best on the ship, so we'll see. Okay guys, so our starters are turned up. This one is
popcorn chicken, the bonbons,
the oxtail bonbons, and the lamb
skewers.
skewers. So yeah, so looks and smells incredible, so we're going to try it now and then we'll give you a verdict later. Okay? Fabulous. That's 3 for $6.95.
3 for $6.95.
That's incredible.
Looks awesome.
Mm.
What do you think?
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah?
Oh, that's really nice. And the garlic, oli, that's it. That works really well with it. But it's not too strong either.
Good.
With some garlic mayonnaises, they're so strong, you can't really take them off your mouth, really. Lovely.
Good.
So Sarah's got a popcorn chicken. I think it's like a sweet chili sauce there, is it?
It's a Korean sauce.
Korean sauce.
Oh, I think it might be like chicken wings. Oh no, I'm wrong.
Pieces of chicken, is it?
Yeah.
Looks lovely. What's your verdict, my darling?
Really nice. I'm just going to try some of the kimchi.
Oh yeah, they got kimchi with it, haven't they? That's fermented cabbage, that is. Like it?
I do.
Yeah?
I didn't
Good
think I
God.
would.
No.
No, I
Right.
like it.
So we tried the two, we're going to finish those two and then we'll try the lamb skewers. So now we're going to try a lamb,
Spice lamb skewers.
spiced lamb skewers each. We got one each. We'll try that now. So say you can go first, go on.
You sure?
Yeah, go on, Bill.
So what was this underneath?
It's like a bulgur wheat.
Oh yeah.
Something bulgur wheat, I can't remember what exactly it
I
was.
couldn't pronounce the other one.
Get in there, love. Looks like. Spicy?
No.
Not too spicy.
No,
A little
it's-
bit of a zing.
No, it's more of a flavour spice
Yeah.
than a spicy spice.
Okay. I'm gonna tuck into mine now, and when the main comes, we'll show you that.
What do you think?
Oh,
Just trying some of that bulgur wheat.
excellent.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, bulgur wheat's not bad.
Oh, lovely.
Very nice.
Beautiful.
Nice little bit of that.
Mm. So there she goes. There's my 8-ounce ribeye steak with garlic prawns, chunky chips, onion rings, tomatoes, confit garlic. So yeah, and Sarah will show you hers now as well. She had the 3 sliders. They look incredible as well.
This is the lamb with the tzatziki, peri peri chicken, and the pulled pork.
So I'm going to just try the steak so I can tell you what it's like. We all know what chips are like. Move the prawns off to the side. Medium. Perfect. Excellent. Very good. Can't fault the guys, to be honest with you. I'm going to film Sarah trying one of hers now. Sarah will try yours now.
So I'm just cutting the lamb and tzatziki 1.5,
Okay.
because otherwise I'll end up in a mess.
Oh, looks nice.
It smells good. Okay.
Try that again. Is it any good?
It is really good, yeah.
Sarah's just tucking into hers now. Lamb and tzatziki.
So good. Really good.
And I'm going to finish mine, or tuck into mine, or finish mine. And if we got room to have dessert, we will let you know. So Sarah's just going to try the chicken one.
So it's peri peri with avocado.
You know.
I'm going to take that out because it's going to drop, and I'm wearing quite a nice dress.
Yeah.
Quite dig out to that peri peri.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Really good.
Good. So this is the, which one is this?
This is the pulled pork and truffle mayo.
Right on. That looks tasty, doesn't it?
It does look good.
Good?
That pork is lovely.
Yeah. Excellent. So our desserts have come, so we're gonna try and break this one in half. Oh,
That's the raspberry and Nutella tart.
yeah. Pass me a plate over set. There you go. So that's literally a pastry case
Nutella and raspberry.
with Nutella and raspberries on the top. That's what it is. It's nice, but that's what it is. Film Sarah trying hers, but it's not rocket science. It works nice. No.
Raspberries cut through the chocolate, but yeah,
Yeah.
I know where you're coming
We'll
from.
try the other one in a minute.
Or at least trying to.
What is this?
It's frozen parfait. No?
Parfait.
Yeah, frozen parfait.
Okay.
You can have the bit on the stick. No, you can't, because I took the stick out. I don't think I'm going to like it.
Stick your fork in it. That's it. Ice cream?
No.
No?
No, not quite.
Any good? Weird?
I don't like white chocolate, so
Right.
maybe it's a little wasted on me.
Okay.
But it's quite...
It's alright.
It's nice and it's raw.
Yeah. Alright. Try it. Oh, soft. What is that, like a berry mix, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like a mascarpone cream. But a thick set
Yeah.
one.
Nice though.
It is nice, not unpleasant. You want some of that?
Oh no, you carry on.
And this is the donut, which I can't remember.
Strawberry and cream donut.
Well done, says you be brother.
So I've been successful in making a mess.
It's fine. Not an easy job anyway.
Right, so I'm gonna take this bit because there's far less cream on that bit than there is that.
Give him a crack, love. Apple strawberries, isn't it?
I've just completely dismantled it.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Weird?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You're gonna have to... It reminds me of a bagel.
No, that's not good news. It's certainly looks like a bagel consistency.
It's not bad. It's not like horrible.
It is a donut, but it's a strange textured donut. It's not like
It is odd, isn't
the
it?
donuts I know. It's
No.
like a baked donut. It's
Yeah.
the best way to describe it. But it's nice.
So, what's your overall verdict of Glass House?
Food's very, very good. The prices are reasonable for what you get. It is
Yeah.
quite good.
I thought they were good.
I would say the starters are very, very good. They're the winner for me. The main meal was lovely. The steak was very nicely cooked, but it wasn't the best steak I've ever had. Not that I was expecting to be the best steak I ever had, but it wasn't the wow factor, if you like.
I really enjoyed my sliders.
Your
I
sliders
thought they
look
were
nice.
Awesome.
Yeah,
And they were really complemented well with the avocado and the peri peri
yeah.
and the truffle mayo.
It's nice.
The mayo was a large.
There you are. Dessert, I probably wouldn't do dessert again. Or I would you've got to try. There's 4 other choices on there as well.
3 other ones, yeah.
But these are okay. But you know, they were okay.
You have to try them.
Yeah, you might love them, but there we are. But would I come in again? Yes, I would, because the food's very, very good.
Okay, so we're going to finish up and we'll catch up with you later.
Yeah.